Alright everyone, what we have today is an Abus XP10. Let me find the key. It's got a really interesting key. 3 holes inside there. I believe they're passive. I've never had to pick those before. Pretty thick key actually too compared to others. But yeah, fits good. Really smooth. Anyway, let's see if we can't get this sucker picked before my battery dies. I'm at like 8% battery, so I'm gonna try to make this a quick one. Alright, I'll be using a Sparrow's heavy bar for top of the keyway tension there, and a Sparrow's Tron in 25 thousandths. Well, I don't believe they come in any other width. Move this all just a little bit. There you go. Start at the front. Now, a lot of the clicks you're going to be hearing are actually warding. The pin setting on this lock are very subtle. You don't really hear them very loudly. Let's see. Alright, got a little bit of a false set there. And we're open. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Gonna lock it back up. Oh yeah, key won't go in if it's not back up right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you soon.